guys, today I will be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Okay, first round. Oh no, not the bridges. I'm not good at bridges. Okay, it's obviously not the middle, so maybe not. Oh, okay, I'll just go. Was it that one? Okay, well, I'm staying here. There's no way of getting back there, so I'm just gonna stay here, I guess. When is the button going to turn green? Button turned green. Okay, click the door. Okay. Does some knock knock? Who's there? The door sounds, so yeah, doesn't really do much. And I will just, coin. I will just wait. Okay, finally. No, you got the coin. Okay, it's not my favorite, not my best, but okay, how did I do that? I clearly pressed the jump button. Okay, let's try again. Jump, 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 jump. Come on, I can do this. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, wow. No, jump, jump, jump. No. Does this just mark that I'm horrible in obbies, guys? Okay. So, click the button. Oh no, not the rising lava. I don't get why the lava is purple though. Why is the lava purple? Okay, go. Okay. Why is everything an obby in Roblox? I get it that it's popular, that obbies are popular, but like, why does everything have to be an obby? I'm horrible at them. Okay. This is what I mean. I can't even get to the second one. Okay, never mind. I got there. And the mushrooms, I guess? And oh wow, had to end right before I won. Vacay. I've got the vacay drink already. It's like it's $20 in this game, so not much. No, my chair. I've already got it, so I can just have it all the time. Please get off me. It's my chair. Please, dude. Please. Please. Okay, he finally got off. Let's get set. 2, 1, go. Okay. How did someone else get that? I was literally on it. That was such a glitch. No. I'm gonna be so slow. I'm gonna be like turtle slow. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, I can do this. I can go, I can go, I go, 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 go. Come on. Please. Please, come on. Please. Please. Okay, there's no more speedy bump thing, so I will just jump. Jump, jump, jump. Come on, come on, come on. I can do this, I can do this. I will be 4th. Finally, I did it. Also, my username is ThatOneGirlGU if you ever want to friend me. Click a button. Oh no, the bombs. So close. Okay, let's drink my small potion and see if I can actually just stand there. That I can. So no joke, I can just stand when there are bombs. Get ready. Oh no, I don't like gunfights. The gun is bigger than my head. Hey, you see how big that is? Okay, fight. Come on, I'm trying to shoot this dude. Oh wow, that was close. Come on, I can do this, I can do this. Or can I? I think I can. No, I can't. Come on. Never mind. That'll just not be it. Money, money, money. Must be funny in a rich man's world. That's not how you spell biscuit. Biscuit. What? Then why do you spell biscuit like that? Okay. This one's pretty easy. Jump over, left, right, left, and middle. I did it. See, I'm second. Let's go. Come on. Can I buy anything? Anything useful? Okay, well, there's these, but No. Oh, I already have that. No. I'm really saving for the glorious, amazing, most efficient flying carpet. And I only have 1,271 and need 6,000, which was a lot to get. So I'm saving up. Quickly get to the top. Oh no, is this gonna be rising lava? Yes, it's rising lava. Jump, and I'm at the top. And oh no, I was the one that pressed the button. Or was I? Where's my gigantic statue? Oh yeah, there it is, at the left of the screen. No, my head! It's getting sunk in lava, okay. Oh no, is it going to raise all the way until we die, even though we're at the top? And never mind. Click the button. Paused. Pause challenge be like. Okay. Click. Oh no, not a tsunami. Can get up here. Don't quite like this round. Don't quite like tsunamis to begin with, darling. I don't really like them. Get up. Don't really like them at all, darling. Don't really like them at all. Okay, now get up here. Go. Hey, mate, I don't really like that, mate. I don't really like that, but how did it get over me? How did it get over me, actually? Click. Finally. Oh, yay, the present. I pretend on being the first helper, but I hope that... Come on, click. Oh, dang it, I'm in second. Whatever. I will be just fine. Okay, come on. When is this round going to end? I could just hide in this tree. Hide in the snow tree. And round's ended. Click. Get ready. What? Oh, get to the bottom. You have to dodge those spikes and everything. Oh, wow, that is very close. Okay. I will just try my best to get to the bottom. I will try my best. I will try as well as I can, darling. Okay. That's a lot of spikes. Okay. Got it. For this spinning thing, I will just spin with this little spinny thing until I get to 2 there. Spin with it. Come on, I will be able to make it. I did it. Okay, survive. Are you kidding me? I don't quite like this round either. But I have to deal with it, so whatever. Okay, I will just wait and wait. Oh no. I was just intending to go there, darling. Why would you do that to me? Nope. Okay, phew. It's gonna not. That. Okay. Oh no, it's gonna fall. Never mind. Click. Oh no, I don't like this round either, darling. I don't really like it. I would tell you I don't really like this round. And someone already found the button. Of course they did. Click. Watch out. Ah! Oof. Killed about 3 people at once. Don't want 3 people killed yet. Oh, got it. Why is the text green if the color's pink? It would be cool if the text changed to every color that there was. And then, what color is it going to be? Ooh, Ah, I like red, so yeah, it's good. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go. Okay. Come on, we can do this, let's go. Finally, okay. And, ooh, pink again, okay. The text has stayed green, grass green. It has stayed grass green. And I made it. And the last color, green. No, they got the last bucket. Fine, I will accept my fate and I will just stand there and not try to do anything. No. I could have won that. I could have gotten the dollars. Could have been one step closer to the flying carpet. Okay, knowledge. Ooh, yay, graduation hat. I like the graduation hats. I intend to keep that hat if I can. Okay. I will just keep going like this. Okay. Avoid the boulders. I don't quite like this round either because it is kind of boring, but I will do with it. Darling, we will do with it. You do with what you've got, and this is what I've got, so yeah. I will keep going no matter what. I will keep going no matter what. Okay, I will do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Yeah. I thought that was going to go in my direction. That was very close. Too close for my liking. Okay. Click. Click. Click the button. Money, money, money. Must be funny. In a rich man's world. All the money that's been collected already. Okay. Click. Nope, it's still red. Come on, button, turn green. Finally. Get to the end. Oh no. Don't like this disappearing. I don't quite like this round either, darling. Don't quite like it at all. Okay, stage 2. I really want to get the coin, the dollars. To get that. +5 only? Damn, I got killed. And I'll just go follow these people. And I won, yay. That's good. Come on. Hey, okay. Let's go. I won. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Oh, come on. When is this going to end? I'm pretty sure a lot of people won right now, so yeah, hope this ends soon. This round ending. Okay. Coinies. Stay clear of moving platforms. I don't quite like this round either, darling. I don't quite like it. Hey, come on. Turn on the music. Come on, turn on the music. Oh. Okay. I can do this. I don't like this round, but I think I can do this. Okay, please don't make this shake. Okay. No. Of course I died. Okay. Coins. I was alone. It would have been good. I literally collected so many coins. Oh no. Frozen. This is the movie Frozen. Okay, let's get to that one. Before the guy starts breathing ice. Okay, I did it. Come on. Okay. I did it. Someone won. And yay. I won. I won. I won. Yay. I can just stand here. And I'm not frozen. I will just, oh, okay. See, right in his ice breath, and I am still not frozen. Okay, that's good. Doom, 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 doom. Okay, guys, that will be it for today. Bye.